welcome back to Cooking with Staff. Today we're going to make two really wonderful summer salads. The dog days are coming up. You're going to want a cool meal. Our first salad is a watermelon, cucumber, and onion salad. For this you will need lime juice or a real lime. Depends on if you're lazy like me. I'm going to use the lime juice. Some sliced onion. Watermelon, obviously. Some cucumber, cilantro, and feta cheese. The first thing we want to do is take our onion, move the watermelon out of the way here, to take our onion and we're just going to cut it into some nice thin slices, and then we're going to cut those slices in half. You're going to want about 2 tablespoons of that. You're going to put it in a dish. You are going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice. So there's 1, and you're just going to let that sit and marinate while you prepare the rest of this. The next thing you want to do is to take your watermelon, cut it in half. You're just going to get rid of the rind. We're going to cube it real quick. You are going to want approximately 2 cups of the watermelon. Just like that, just like so. To this, we are going to take cucumber. It's approximately a heaping 1/3 cup of cucumber, diced. You are going to add 2 tablespoons of feta cheese. You can find this in the dairy aisle already crumbled up for you. You are going to take some fresh cilantro. You are going to chop it up. You're going to want about 1 tablespoon. We're going to toss that in there. We're just going to give it a quick little toss. And to this, we are going to add that onion that has now been marinating in the lime juice. Stir, pardon my hands. And there you go. Voila, a delicious, light, juicy salad for summer.